How to start a cosmetics business in Ghana. Are you looking for ways to make money from the beauty industry? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll teach you the simple ways and all you need to start a cosmetics business, grow it, and make money out of it. The beauty industry is one of the fastest growing industry in the world, and people are making money out of it because it comes with great opportunities. I want to help you take advantage of these opportunities and make money out of it. Before you start a cosmetics business, you need to consider training, location, where to buy raw materials or products, your capital, marketing, and so on. Watch this video to the end and I'll teach you all the secrets when it comes to being successful in the cosmetics industry. 1. You need to find best-selling products. Yes, research the market. Look at what people are buying. Look at what people are searching for. What services are people looking for? Is it makeup? Is it hair products, body products? Is it creams and lotions? Look out for all these. This is where the money will come from, because each and every day people are using cosmetic products. Every day, every household uses a cosmetic product. Once people are bathing, people are taking care of their hair, people are taking care of their skin, you need to take advantage of this. So the first thing is to find best-selling products. There are so many products that you can think of. Hair products, skincare products, makeup, so many products you can think of. Look out for the best-selling ones and what works best for you. It is not everything that is also selling that is good for you. You need to find out what you understand best, what you have control over, and you can sell to people. This is also important. So aside looking out for the best-selling product, you also need to look out for what you understand most and what works best for you. So look out for the best-selling products and also look out for what you understand and what people can buy from you. So that is the first thing to do. 2, decide whether you make your own products or you sell already made products. When it comes to making your own products, it is not difficult. You have to get training if you want to do it by yourself, or you can contract someone to do it for you based on the recipes you give the person, based on the things you want the product to do for you. You can contract someone to do it for you. We call this one contract manufacturing. You don't have to manufacture it yourself. You just need to know exactly what you need and contract someone to do it for you. It is called contract manufacturing, and it's also possible. People can start their own one by mixing other products. This is called mixing products to get what is best for you, customizing already existing products. It is not just one product. You just mix the product, but make sure that it is not harmful. Make sure it is not harmful. This one is also possible. And the second option is to sell already existing products. Sell already existing products. Even in selling existing products, you can customize existing products by going to the manufacturers and asking them to customize for you. Or you can even sell in their own name. This is also possible. If you don't want to go through the stress of getting your own product, you can sell other people's products and make money out of it. People are making big time money without owning a product of their own. They just need a brand for themselves and resell other people's products. Reselling other people's product does not mean that you cannot have your own brand. You can have your own brand and resell other people's product, or you can have your own brand and have your own product. Which way you go is good, and you can make a good amount of money. All you need to do is to find which works best for you and which you'll be comfortable with, making your own products or selling other people's products. Number 3, get training. Whether you start your own products or you resell other people's products, you need training. you need to understand the business that you're doing. Go to those who already are into the business, those who know how to do this business. Ask them questions. You can go to the internet, search for the things you need before you venture into this business. You don't want to start a business, get into the middle and give up. That is not what we are teaching here. What we are teaching here is to understand whatever you are doing so that you can grow it and make money out of it. So that is the third thing to do. Get training for which way you want to go, whether you're starting your own product or you are reselling other people's products. Get knowledge. You need to understand the business, understand the grounds. If you even need to study something about finance, how to manage your finances, this is also part of it. Some people want to go to the extent and even know how the product they are selling works. They want to even take time to understand the ingredients or the items in the product. People even go as far as getting to know the recipe of the product that they are dealing in. It is very important to get the training so that you'll be successful in this business. Success is what we are looking for here. It is not difficult. If you don't know anything, ask. And that is why we are making this video for you, so that you get the understanding of how to start your own cosmetics business. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Number 4, get suppliers or where to buy your raw materials. If you are making your own product, you need to research where you buy your raw materials. If you are reselling other people's product, you need to research where you are buying the products from, who is supplying you the products. It is very important to understand where you get the products or get the raw materials so that you can establish that relationship with them. For some people, for some suppliers, you don't have to get a whole capital. All you need is to get to them, describe to them what you're going to do and what you intend doing. Some of them can give the products to you and you pay a certain amount. And then after selling, you pay the rest. You just need to be sincere and pay the money after you've sold the product. For some, they want you to pay upfront. So you need to research and know where you get your raw materials or you get your products from. So it is very, very important. Number 5, capital. So when we mentioned the 4th point, I said some people will want you to pay upfront. People will want you to pay upfront. And before you can pay upfront, you need capital. So understanding the kind of products you want to deal in, understanding the kind of product you want to sell, understanding whether you want to start your own products or you want to resell, this will help you research where to get the capital from, and this will lead to know the right amount of money you need to get to start the business. So it is very important. You need a working capital. Number 6, location. Where are you setting up this business? Imagine setting up a cosmetics business and then you want to venture into makeup products, and where you set up, the people campaign so much about makeup. Are you going to be successful? No, you will not be successful. So you need to find a good location for your business. Look out for what the people are looking for, what the people believe in, what is the cultural background, where are you placing your shop. Are people searching for the right products that you have in your shop? Are people interested in the products you are selling? Are people interested in the services that you want to render as a business? You need to take time and research the location. Find the right location for your business so that you attract the right customers. Customers are the focus here, because the customers are the ones who bring the business, who bring the money. So it is very important to look out for a good location for your business. 7, marketing. It is very important. If you have a good product and people do not know about it, it is better off not starting at all. So it is good to have a good product, but it is great to let people know about it. So marketing is great. There are so many tools when it comes to marketing. Social media is there. You can ask friends to help you print teasers. There's so many ways to market. Understand the product you are selling, understand your customer base, and know where you do your marketing, and even know how you market your product. This is very important. Research all these things and do a great marketing, and you'll be successful in this business. There are so many opportunities when it comes to the beauty industry, and in Ghana this is one of the fastest growing industries, and people are making money in the cosmetics business. And this is why you need to take your time, do your research well, go through all these points so that you can make money, you can take advantage of this industry and also be successful. There are so many areas that you can take advantage and make money. There are so many opportunities. You don't want to let this one pass by. You can even look at toiletries and personal care products. Fragrances are there. A lot more. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our products. There are a lot that we offer on Earn with Penny. Be a part of the family and spread the good news. There are so many opportunities moving around us, and you will bring all these opportunities to bear so that you also be successful. Go ahead, start your cosmetics business now. And if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Let us know. If we can help you, we will do that. Share this video with others, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.